In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to upload a photo and remove its background in Canva. This process is incredibly useful for creating clean, professional looking images for your projects. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Canva. Simply type Canva into the browser search bar and hit enter. Once the search results pop up, click on the official Canva link to navigate to the site. If you already have a Canva account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't, the sign up process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll notice a create icon. Clicking this will present you with a range of options. Today, we're working on a document, so go ahead and select the Docs option. This will bring you to a new page where you can begin your creation. Now look towards the left sidebar of your Canva window again. You'll see an icon labeled Uploads. Click on Uploads and you'll be guided to a page where you can import your own photos. To get your photo into Canva, select the Upload Files button. This action will open up your computer's file explorer, usually landing you in either your Documents or Downloads folder. From here, locate the photo you wish to edit by selecting it. Double-click or click Open and voila, your photo will begin uploading to Canva. Once the upload is complete, you'll notice your photo is now available in the Uploads section. The next step is to drag and drop this image into your blank document. With a simple click, hold, and a drag to your document board, you'll see your photo placed on the page. Isn't that neat? With your photo now displayed, it's time to remove its background. To do this, select the image on your document and turn your attention to the top toolbar where various editing options appear. Look for BG Remover. This is Canva's tool to eliminate backgrounds with one click. Select it and you'll watch as Canva works its magic, making the background disappear and leaving you with a clean-cut image. And there you have it, a streamlined method for uploading and editing photos in Canva. You've learned how to take a picture from your files and effortlessly give it a professional touch by removing the background, all within a few clicks. This tool is incredibly helpful whether you're designing a social media post, setting up a presentation, or creating marketing materials. Feel free to explore additional features in Canva to further enhance your creative projects. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.